Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Monday, dragged by shares in telecommunication services, automobiles and components, as well as pharmaceuticals, biotech, and life sciences. On the economic docket, personal income increasing by 0.3% in March, personal spending rising by 0.4% in March, Chicago PMI slightly improving to 57.6 in April, and pending home sales expanding by 0.4% in March. This all while decliners ahead of advancers. 81% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Akamai Technologies announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of 79 cents on revenue up 11% year over year to $669 million. Now, turning overseas, Asia markets mostly closed today. The Nikkei 225 index up 0.18%, while the Hang Seng, China's CSI 300, and South Korea's Kospi all closed for Labor Day. Now, most European markets are closed. The FTSE 100 is open and gaining about 0.45%, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Apple second quarter EPS seen at $2.65 on sales of approximately $60.9 billion. Pfizer first quarter EPS seen at 75 cents. That's due out before the market opens. While on the economic dock at 9:45 in the morning, we have April's final market U.S. manufacturing PMI read, as well as construction spending and ISM manufacturing, both at 10 o'clock in the morning. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees its watch level at 2630, while the Nasdaq, that's under pressure and in focus. Technically, the relative strength index below its neutrality area at 50 for the Nasdaq. Short positions below 67.12 are favored, with targets at 65.57 and 64.75 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones seeing a break of a short-term rising trendline support.